Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I got a hold of some more new expired cooking oil for some what I call PMDF, poor man's diesel fuel. Gas prices were starting to come down a little bit, just a little, starting to slowly go down. Nope, right back up. Let's hit a record. We gotta hit a record. Let's get it up there, man. So anyway, this is a lot like my last video I made about it. Just nothing special. You know, this is key. It only works in a diesel. Don't put it in a gas unless you want to have a bad day, a real bad day. Again, it's nothing special. 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. No fancy modifications at all. Just routine maintenance. Keep your, fuel filter changed out, and this stuff actually burns cleaner, so that's a good thing. It doesn't pollute as bad. But like I said in that last video, this is not full-blown biodiesel like is sold somewhere. Not around here. I've never bought any. Years ago, there was one pump that had one, but that was years ago. So that was then, this is now. So, and I've just filled up this week. I've gone about 80 or 90 miles, so this will be diluting this quite a bit. And so here we go, kids. Good use for it. Don't throw it out. Put it to good use. This is it's picking up. Now, last time my video cut off because I ran out of storage. Hopefully that won't happen again this time. But I thanked Chatty Cathy for some that she gave me, and again, this is coming from her too. So running out of daylight here. I also had a couple quarts of corn oil in that last video, and the video cut off. And I was going to give some credit to a good guy named, I'm going to call him Jim B. Good guy. We miss seeing him at work. But, and church. Anyway, one down. Is it still recording? Yeah, I hadn't run out. Don't run out just yet. Here we go, kids. Almost done. Throw some more in there. I have gotten a hold of some used cooking oil a little bit in my first adventure or two, collecting some of that stuff. Man, it's nasty. The dumpster I got it out of was just beyond filthy. But it's not a hazardous waste like motor oil, used motor oil, and used transmission fluid. So, but anyway, that's it. That's it, kids. And if we're still recording, yeah, I hadn't run out yet. Yeah. While I'm at it, I thought I'd mention this stuff. This stuff's good for a diesel engine. It's diesel clean, injector cleaner, and performance improver, cetane boost. So, a lot of stuff like this you buy, it has, oh shoot, what do you call, like a winterizer for really cold weather, but I don't need that. I'm in Middle Tennessee, it doesn't get that cold in the winter. So, yeah. But yep, put it to good use, kids. Don't throw it out. So, take care. Have a good one.